With the DPF cleaning, we actually have 3 separate machines as well as a compressor to operate the machine. The first machine here is a water graph machine. The purpose of this is to measure the restriction inside the DPF. We have publications telling us what is an acceptable clog rate for DPF and what is to the point that's beyond cleaning, or what we need to do, how we need to proceed to clean. We simply put our DPF on here, we actually push our button, which measures restriction based on the magnetic gauge here as to how much restriction we have. This particular filter here will clog up anything of about a 4.60. Anything above the 460 is clogged. It tells us we need to take this filter, proceed to the pneumatic cleaner. This here is our pneumatic cleaning machine. We simply install our DPF in the machine. This particular machine actually cleans on both sides. It cleans every individual cell. This particular machine rotates our DPF and spins it in circles while simultaneously inserting air into the top and the bottom at the same time. This breaks up any DPF diesel particulate filter contamination that's in there and all the diesel particulates that's stopping it up. It breaks it loose, blows it out. This particular machine requires 120 cubic feet of air a minute, which is a considerable amount of air to run this machine. And at the same time, it will break up and clean 90% of the DPFs that need to be cleaned. All the particulates that come out of the DPF go into this bottom area down here as it's being cleaned. You can see it. At that point, it's sucked up, run through the filtration system, and captured to be disposed of properly by the appropriate people. And in addition to this, if a DPF is to the point, once we run it through our pneumatic cleaning and we recheck it, it's so clogged up that it's still beyond spec. At that point, we take the DPF, come back over here to our thermal cooker. This is our thermal cleaning device. We drop the DPF into this. This is essentially a big oven. It runs around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. We will cook that DPF for a period of 8 to 48 hours, depending on how bad it is, and pull it out and run it through the pneumatic cleaner one more time, blow it all out, then retest it. If the DPF isn't damaged in any way, we can pretty much clean anything on the market, any manufacturer, and it's a very efficient system and will prolong the life of your DPF. But I have to put my adapters over in the cleaning machine. I've already cleaned one this morning. So I've already got the angled nozzles in here, so this thing's set up properly. I want to turn some equipment on now. Once I turn it on, there's a light here in the bottom. You want to look at this bottom area, you should see a cloud of dust coming out of there.